Hey, hi, hello, my name's Alexis and today we're opening another Stitch Fix. I love these, y'all know the drill by now, so let's just open it. Return envelope and a letter. It says, hey, hi, hello. She did the thing. Oh my god. Hey, hi, hello, Alexis. Happy Fix Day. I just love when I get to style your fixes because I get to watch your videos and catch up on some makeup tips and tricks and see you try everything on looking so fabulous. Your makeup and hair look gorgeous in your last unboxing video. Oh, I love her. I'm so glad that you're back posting your videos again. I just love them. I'm so bummed the purple jeans in your last fix were too short. I will keep an eye out for another pair with a longer inseam going forward. Thank you. Thought this purple 9 Britton knit dress would be fun with leggings and booties while the weather is still chilly and the price point is nice too. I saw some new pins on your Pinterest board with some flare skirts, so hope this glamorous, yeah, glamorous, I know how to read, skirt reminds you of them. Pair it with the Calvin Klein top with some combat boots. Enjoy. XOXO, Erica. I love her so much. If y'all do Stitch Fix, I hope y'all find somebody as wonderful as Erica is to me. She's just great. Let's open it up. Da, 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 da. Something black. Oop. It's a little distressed. I can see it already. I already like it. A top. A top. Like a turtleneck. I don't know when the last time I wore a ooh! It's got holes in the elbow. Okay. Alright, I see you. I see you. Well, this looks fun. It's, the day I'm filming this, it's 70 degrees. It's 70 degrees outside today. Can you believe that? And it's still February. So, I mean, today this would not work, but when it goes back to regular winter, spring weather, I like this. It feels so nice. I say this every time. Everything feels so nice. All the clothes always feel nice. We gotta try that on. We gotta see what this is looking like on. I'm excited though. Something else black. Oh, look at this. Ooh. Ugh. Tag's in the way. Go away, tag. Calvin Klein. Black top with this like, wait, I'm trying to fold the things in. With this like chain thing on the front. You see this? With a little, just a little peep in the back. That's interesting. I don't know where I'd wear this to. It's interesting though. I like it. Oh, it's purple. I'm excited. I love purple. Okay. Figure out how to unfold it. Found it. Okay. So just a regular like flowy dress. My only concern is that it might look like I don't have a shape in it. So we'll have to see when I put it on. I do really like the color though. This would look cute with boots. We gotta see it on though, because I love the color, but I'm concerned about the shape. Something else that's purple. Ooh, I like the feel of this. Ooh! Tag's in the way. That's interesting. These like things. What do I call them? Bars. Somethings. That's interesting. It feels so nice. It's like sweatery. Sweater material. Although, I do remember having a top this color with this same material, and when I put it on it was a little bit see-through, so that is my concern with it. See, it is a little, I can see through it already. Alrighty, we gotta see about that one. Don't like see-through. Oh, here's this, oh that's cute. Oh! Oh, that is cute. Wait, where's the, hold on. Hold it the right way, where's the back? This is the back. Oh, that is cute. I do like that. That is so cute with like some leggings. Oh, I really like this. This is so cute. I hope this fits. I don't know what kind of, are these, what kind of flowers are these? I don't know, but it's cute. Oh, I do really like that. Yes. Oh, my arms and stuff. Okay, quick recap. Skirt, excited. I really like skirts. I'm a skirt person and a dress person. Sometimes that surprises people, but I am. This top, you gotta see Might be see-through. The dress, we gotta see about the shape of it when I put it on. This Calvin Klein top, I don't know. We gotta see about that. I just don't know when I would wear it to. It seems a little bit too like fancy and mature for me, but that's okay. This top though, the turtleneck with the cutout and the, I'm excited. Yes. Let's talk prices. Okay, that black top that I really like is $58. That purple top is $40. The dress is $34. Wow, that's a great price for that, $34. That skirt's $38, and the other black top from Calvin Klein is $48. So if I were to buy everything, you get 25% off your order plus your $20 styling fee. So if I were to get everything, it would be $143.50, which is really not bad at all whatsoever. I'm pretty excited. I hope that skirt fits because it's really cute. We gotta see about that dress though. I'm not too sure about it. I'm excited. I love Stitch Fix. I love Erica. This whole service is great. It's wonderful. Everything's wonderful. I say it every time. If you have been considering getting Stitch Fix, please get it because it is fantastic. Wonderful. I've kept at least one thing from every single box I have gotten. And this is, what number is this? This is number 8. So consider I've kept at least 8 things. I know I've kept more than that, but the point is, if you've been thinking about it, go do it because this service is fantastic. That's all. And I'm not sponsored or anything, I just really love Stitch Fix. If Stitch Fix wants to sponsor me, you hit me up, you let me know. I got you. I still need a new outro, so I'm gonna say the old one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. All the links to all my social media are down in the description. Check me out there. Give this video a like if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!